Alright. There it is. Let's check it out. It's not much, but it's better than an attic. What's up? This has potential, and that's all I need is just a little bit. This cord right here, this is what powered the entire music adventure. That needs to come down. I got some work to do still. What they're made to do. Prevent shock. I'm kind of in shock. You know how moves are? If you've ever moved, you know it feels like everything just happens at once, especially if you're buying a house. Just the physical act of it is exhausting. And the mental fatigue that occurs with making all these tiny little decisions, all the way down to where to put your spices in the kitchen to, you know, what room you need to upgrade, or then you add the financial aspect of it, all the costs and everything. It's a lot to handle. And now I'm moving all my music gear, so whew, mixed feelings. Excited though, very excited. Right now it's just basically a pile of chaos and dreams. It's potential energy waiting to be taken to another place where it can truly develop and expand. I'm waxing poetic because I'm procrastinating. Thanks for letting me do that. Okay, back to it. It's like as soon as you put some type of cables or cords in a bag, they just mysteriously start to tangle. Probably spent the majority of my time rolling up cables. Guaranteed, as soon as we get to the studio, I'll take out one and 3 of them will be attached to it. Some type of mysterious force just tangles your cords. Cable management, it's very important. Yeah, that's how it's done. Now's the fun part, fitting everything in there. Pro tip for those that have garages, as soon as the car, it saves lives and bumpers. Back to the movement. And now we unload. I'm temporarily putting everything in this shed because that shed needs carpet and I need to get rid of some bad smells. It just needs good vibes. It's gonna be a music studio. Hold on. Hold on, Wesley. I don't want him to fall. Hold on. One more. We got more than one. This is the banjo. Alright. What did you say, tractors? Jingle bells. Ooh, that sounds cool. Good morning. I have a slight headache, but my friend Wesley and I did go shopping yesterday, and I got some stuff. Check it out. Oh yeah. Okay, check it out. This right here, this is the Ruxel Comfort Bat Rockwool. It's insulation. I have 12 bats, so that's gonna be for the acoustic panels. This is the wood for the sound panels. I think I need to buy some more. I'll probably be able to make like 4 of them. And then this carpet I got for free. We'll talk more about that, but I need to get this out of here so Mommy and Wesley can go to daycare. There we go. This is the carpet.
Nice brown carpet.
Brown it is.
Brown, but it's free.
This was free. He was like, how about I give it to you for free, oh free? And I said, oh yeah. Oh yeah. Yeah.